Welcome back to Kikis Customs. Today I'm going to show you guys how to polish a nitrous bottle. So if you guys haven't been following along, this nitrous is going to go into this Mercedes build that I'm working on. It's an SL500 1997. It's the world's first manual swapped SL500. Now nitrous in a Mercedes. Why? It's going to blow up, isn't it? That's the whole point. So we're going to blow up the original engine that I got in it because it has 200,000 miles. I want to see what it does with nitrous in it. Plus I want to blow it up because what's under here is much better. A 2JZ motor. I'm just kidding, we're not going to put that in that car. We're going to put that in a 95 Toyota Corolla. I got the rear end for that. So you guys want to stay tuned and subscribe to see all of that happen. But what we're actually going to put into the Mercedes. So what we're actually going to put into the Mercedes is, it's a stock motor, right? But it has 50,000 miles on it. So that's a plus. And the first transmission I put into the Mercedes, I got it at a junkyard. So I think something happened with it internally and it's just grinding. So we have another transmission right here we're going to put into it. I'm telling you guys, you got to subscribe because it's about to get crazy. I'm not going to be installing the nitrous just yet. You'll see that on the next video. But today I'm going to show you guys how to polish any kind of aluminum tank. It could be CO2, argon, nitrous if you want. And it really doesn't take a lot of tools or time to do. Let's get into it. All you really need is a buffing wheel and some compound. But it always depends on what kind of polish you're trying to get. You can see a test polish I did here with just some buffing compound. And since it is a brushed look, you can still see scratches in there. But what we're going for is a really smooth mirror polish. So we have to get rid of all those brush scratches. And the way you do that is with some sandpaper. All you need is some 500 grit, and you could even skip up to 1200. But we're gonna go to 500, 1000, and 1200. You could go to 2000, but realistically, you just need some compound. And then again, you can do this by hand, but that's gonna take forever. So we have an orbital.
Junior?
We have an orbital sander that'll speed up the process up by a lot. And for all the people that don't care about safety gear, if you're breathing aluminum dust over time, you get Alzheimer's. So I mean, take it as you want it, but I'm gonna keep myself safe. Got a respirator here, so let's get into it. So starting off with 500 grit sandpaper, we're gonna go all the way around it. You just wanna make sure you have a smooth, consistent sand the whole way through. Ooh, that looks pretty good, man. Let's put that sticker on there. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something from it, and you definitely want to hit that subscribe button because we're going to be putting this nitrous bottle into the SL500 and we're going to blow the engine up. We're going to push it 100 shot, maybe 200 shot until the engine blows. Then we're going to swap the new engine and new transmission in. So definitely stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.